Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your face in TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera, and right side you can see this button. You have to tap on this beautify button, and on the bottom you will see this different buttons. Smooth, to smooth your skin, let's make it 100. Contrast, to adjust contrast of your face. Tooth, to make your tooth whiter, better. Foundation, there are two to choose from. Okay, change your eye brightness, let's make it 100. Then change your jaw shape, let's keep it in 57. You can change your nose size, okay. So once you are done, just hit back, and I'll show you. I'll close TikTok and I'll come back again. Okay, whatever you adjusted will stay like this in TikTok, and if you want to edit again, obviously you can go there and edit. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can edit your face in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.